In this video, we will talk about some important concepts in video editing. What are these concepts are? There are total 4 important concepts in video editing. Number 1 is stream, number 2 compression, number 3 media container, and number 4 formats. We will discuss each one of them one by one. So let us first consider what are streams. Streams can be any type of data like text or audio, video, any type of data can be considered as a stream. But here we will generally talk about 2 streams. Number 1, the audio stream, and number 2, the video stream. So what is basically audio stream? Look, the sound travels in waves. Okay, it is an analog signal. Whenever the sound touches the microphone takes samples. The microphone converts analog signal into digital signal by taking samples in a specific time interval. For example, 48,000 samples per second or 41,100 samples per second. Microphone actually convert analog signal into the digital signal. Okay. So this is basically what a audio stream. And what is basically video stream? Okay, the video stream, basically the video camera takes images per second, 30 images per second or 60 still images per second, and when the video player play these images continuously, it gives you a moving effect. Okay, so video camera takes images per second. This is basically video stream. Okay, so now what is compression? Look, the audio and video in its natural form is very large amount of data. Let us say if you have a 48,000 samples per second and you want to store a 10 minutes of audio. Consider 48,000 samples per second and each sample takes 2 byte. For example, each sample takes 2 byte. It may take 4 byte or it may take 4 byte. Let us consider each sample takes 2 byte. So it will become very large. Okay. Similar, the still image in a video file. Okay, it will become very large. Okay, so what we do, we actually compress audio and video streams. Okay, and there are algorithms to compress these audio and video streams, and these algorithms are called codecs. Okay, like mp3 is a codec, H.264 is a codec, H.264 is a video codec, and mp3 is a audio codec. Okay, we have algorithm to compress audio and video data, and these algorithms are actually called codecs. So what are media containers? Media containers are basically containers to store the data, audio and video stream. Like for example, mp4 is a media container. Media container has a metadata and the actual audio and video stream. And what are basically formats? Okay, we change formats, we use the word format interchangeably for codecs and containers. Okay, sometimes we call codecs as a format or sometimes we call container as a format. Okay, for example, mp3 is a codec and a container both. A codec, mp3 is a codec and a container both. So we call container, sometimes we call container as a format or sometimes we call codec as a format. So I will show you a diagram what happen actually when we read a file. So we first have a container is our file like mp4 file, and then we have a parcel demultiplexer. Okay, what does this demultiplexer do? Demultiplexer actually separate audio from the video stream, or separate video from the audio stream. Okay, then we pass this demultiplexed streams to decoders. Okay, decoders, and they decode, and then it start playing. Okay, so what happen when we write a file? We have encoder. Here we have encoders, encoder, encode. Okay, encoder, encode. Encoder are actually used to reduce the size of our streams. Okay, then multiplexer. What does multiplexer do? Multiplexer combine audio with a video stream. Okay, and then we write these files into the containers like mp4 or mp3. So this is basically, guys, 4 essential concept which I told you in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.